Hey y'all, this is Mo Model Builds, and I'm here to do a quick unboxing video of the new Atlantis Mack AC Bulldog dump truck that they just released. This is a fresh reboxing of the old Monogram kit. They started doing production on that kit again. They bought the molds from, I guess it was Revell, and so they're now offering this back in production. This is one of the latest kits from Atlantis. They just shipped it like last week or so. And so we're going to open up the box and you're going to take a look and see what all's inside. So I went ahead and got all the plastic off of it. It actually doesn't come traditionally shrink wrapped. They just do tape tabs on the bottom. This is the Mack Bulldog in 1/24 scale. And this is basically the same kit as the old flatbed, the yellow flatbed, and the red logging truck, also from Atlantis kits. This is 1/24 scale. This kit is actually molded in green and black. And there's a shot of the end. Other side showing the front view and side view elevations. This has got the decals for the Rockwell Lime Company coal truck. This is a Mack licensed product, so hopefully this is a sign of good things to come. Maybe we'll see the old tanker truck as well. I'm hoping to see that. Hey Atlantis, can we see this by the end of the year, this year? Alright, so I went ahead and took the liberty to take the parts sprues out of the plastic. So they are bagged in plastic. This is our cab parts, the fenders, seats, wheels, firewall, radiator. And this is the seat cab part, top of the cab. We got the hood. The moldings themselves are nice and crisp. We got the rivet detail in the cab there. There's a little bit of flashing on the inside there of that. Overall though, looks pretty good. Here's the business side of things. This is the bed, the dump bed parts. Got your frame, got the bed. There are some stress indicators, stress moldings in the molding there. You can see it, stress on the sprue, injection marks. Overall, it's a nice smooth finish. Shouldn't take too much to smooth those out. There's good rivet detail. Got the hinge detail for the top part of the bed. Got your tailgate locks there. More frame details. There's the bottom of the bed. Okay, come on camera, focus. Okay, camera doesn't want to focus, but there is detail there, I promise. There we go. Alright. And here's our black sprues. It's got our chain drive, engine parts, transmission parts, springs. We've got our frame rails. There's our kit number. Come on. Here we go. Here's our engine sprue. Got that Mack engine, 4-cylinder. There's our springs, our floorboard, Nicely molded wood detail there. You got the springs, tailpipe, chain drives, all the cross members, lights, axle, brake parts, front axle, and we have a sprue of vinyl tires. Very nicely done. Front tires, rear tires. Here's our instruction sheet. Oh, hold on, gotta show you this. This is the clear sprue. We got headlights, and we got the cab lights, tail lights. Here's our instruction sheet. It's like the instruction sheet for the other two Atlantis Mack Bulldog instruction sheets. It's a big single fold out sheet. Come on. So we got all the details there. Okay. And we got the back part here. There's the instructions for the bed, dump bed. And then we got our elevations. Okay. And then last but not least, I put the decals in a Ziploc bag so as to keep the moisture out. I live down in the deep south in Texas, and humidity is a big enemy for decals. So I keep the decal sheets in a Ziploc bag until I'm ready to put them on the kit. So the lettering there has got nice gold text. Got all the little license plate, the Mack Bulldog emblems there. Got the Atlantis logo, copyright 2026, brand spanking new. Very crisply done. So if you like what you see here, like this little quick review, let me know. Leave a like and subscribe. Talk to you later.